Hi there and welcome to the first of our 3 promotion instructional videos. Promotions or marketing promotions are great for our business. If we're having a sale, a weekend sale that we want to present discounts off particular items or even particular classes that you stock, we can set up fixed price promotions where buy 3 get 1 free, and we also have our expenditure promotions where spend $100 and receive a free gift. So they're the 3 promotions that we're going to be dealing with in these following instruction videos. The first one we're going to do is a promotion on our classes. So with our promotions, we just need to go to Lists, Marketing, Promotions, New. And here's where you can set up your discount on items, select items at a fixed price, and discount on the total order amount. You also have free item automatically added to the cart, a free gift promotion. So before we do our first promotion on, we're going to use 20% off chemicals as an example. Before we do that, we need to actually set up a save search so that we can assign all those chemicals to this promotion rather than doing each individual item separately, which will take a lot of time. So, to set up a save search, for this we need to go to Lists, Search, Save Searches, and before you click on New, just right click and open this in a new tab so you don't lose this page that you're going to be working on. So our new save search is going to be an item save search. So we scroll down the list here and we click on item, and we're going to change the search title name and we're going to call it 20% chemical discount promotion. I've already written it there so you can see that's why it came up. The ID we leave blank. NetSuite will auto-generate an ID for you. I'm going to make this a public search, and in our criteria we need to set our filters. So the first filter we're going to need to do is our class. So if you drop the box down, type C, that'll save you a bit of time scrolling, and select class. Now here you can see it's set as any of, and we can choose 1 or more classes that we want to include on this promotion or our save search initially. So here we can select algicides, let's say balances. Now just to get more than 1 selection here, click on the first one, then for every one after that, hold the control button down, find the one you want, and then click. So we're just going to go through here and just select a number of them. I won't select all of our chemical classes, but I'll just do a few here for you so that you're aware of what's going on here. We'll just have a look to see if there's any other ones that I can select here for you. Liquid chlorine. There we go. So there's a few that we've set up there. Now you would need to go through and select all your chemicals if you're going to do a complete chemical discount for your promotion. So once you've selected all the required classes, just click on Set, and you'll have that written here on your description there. The next filter we're going to add to our criteria is our subsidiary, and that is your franchise. So again, we drop down the box. I'm going to type in S for subsidiary so I don't have to spend a lot of time scrolling, and we'll just scroll down here and find subsidiary, and you'll notice that you'll only have 1 selection, so you don't have to go scrolling through that. 1 selection will be which your subsidiary is or your franchise. Select that and then click on Set. And that's all we need to do. We can click Save on that save search. Don't forget your title, 20% discount. Okay, this has already been saved with that name. Please use a different name. And I will put test there because I had saved this one before. Click on Save. And that's our save search completed. So I can close that tab down and I can come back to my promotion page. I'm going to click on the item promotion. Even though we've selected classes, we do actually go through and set up the promotion under the item promotion. So here we're going to have our title of our promotion, and I'm going to call this one, just in case I get it wrong again, I'll do this test. You can create a description here that your employees or yourself can view, just to give you a bit more of a instruction to yourself, basically. So you could put your terms and conditions in this description on what's actually applicable and what's not applicable. In our start date and end date, we want to select the day that we want to start the promotion. I'm going to do that today, and the day that we end the promotion. So again, like, you can have this as a one-day sale, you can have it over a weekend, you can select a week, month, it's totally up to you. I'm going to end this on Sunday, come down to further settings, and I'm going to click on exclusive promotion radio button there. Be careful not to click on the actual words, because you will get the field help screen come up. And I make that mistake a lot of times. Okay, then we want to click on this promotion can be automatically applied. The discount item for accounting, now we did call it a 20% off discount, so we're going to select our 20% discount item. And you can see I've got quite a few set up for us here. And I'm just going to scroll down here, and it's my discount 20%. What the customer needs to buy, they just need to buy anything. Now, in saying anything, we do apply the save search a little bit further, but we do make sure that this buy anything is the one that's selected. What the customers will get, they will get a flat discount of 20%. And this is where, if you're just doing, one or a few items that are specific that you want to give 20% off over a period of time, you can add those items in these fields and just click add and keep adding until you've reached your required amount there. But this time we're going to do the classes. So from the save search field here, I'm going to drop that down, and you can see there my 20% chemical discount promotion test is what I'm going to apply. Now that save search that we created, if you went back to that save search and clicked on view, it'll show you all the items that are in those classes that you've selected in a list. So that's a good way to find out that if you've done the right save search, by looking at that list that it generates. Okay, so down the bottom here we've got coupon code type. We'll leave it at multiple uses, and we'll put in a coupon code, and we'll just say 20% or 20 discount, 20 dischems. So this coupon code, it's really not required unless you're wanting to create flyers or advertising material that you want to send out to customers or out to your marketing territories, and you can add that coupon code for your 20% discount off chemicals sale for that weekend. And you can put the coupon code which they need to bring in and give to you. Okay, so once that is all set, we just go back, make sure that everything is right here, that all your fields are copied in, and then we click save. So that's our 20% chemical discount off chemicals promotion, and that is now set for your sale. So now what I will do is I'll go through and show you how that will actually show up when you're invoicing. And I will, first of all, I'm just going to do it in NetSuite for now. If you have a retail store and you run off your SKIZ, your point of sale, it will automatically apply to your SKIZ transactions as well. So in this case, I'm just going to bring up a client here. Let's go with Miss Patricia here. We select the client, and I'm just going to go to my little shortcut page here. I'm going to create a new invoice for Patricia. And we'll put a couple of items on the invoice, and we'll show you how that promotion works. So I'm just going to leave all the details up here the same. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to put in my first item. So I'm going to put in some Vitalize pH up. So I'm just going to type in my Vitalize pH up, and I'm going to choose my 2 kilo. I'm going to click add. See there, I've got quantity of 1. Make sure I put my location, which I haven't done. I'm sure you all forget to do that as well. Just come across here. select my location, click add on the item, and you can see the item comes up and then the discount, 20% discount on that item, automatically applies. Just to show you that again, I'll put in another item. So this time I'm going to put in some Polymax algicide, and I'm just going to put in my code here. So that's my algicide 1 litre. I don't have to click on it, I can just click tab, tab again. There's my details, and my location should automatically be up because I put my location up here. So once you have it up there at the beginning of the invoice, they'll automatically apply to your item lines. I click on add there. My discount is applied automatically. Okay, so if I save that now, that's all I want to sell Miss Patricia there. We'll save that invoice and I'll scroll up to my summary. Okay. There's my subtotal. If I want to print the invoice out, you can see my items are shown and my 20% discount is taken off each item. So that will show on the invoice, and that will advise your customers that they did receive the 20% discount on their chemicals. So that's how we set up a class promotion with a 20% out off a blanket promotion. Don't forget, you can either choose between set classes such as chemicals or equipment, or you can actually just apply the discount to a particular item or a number of specific items that you want to get rid of. Saves it automatically, and then you don't have to worry about putting that discount on each sale. It will be done automatically for you. Now don't forget, it will work on the Skiz point of sale device as well, and set up the dates, your start date and end date, so that you don't forget to if you ever did forget to switch it off or switch it on, you've got that start and end date to apply automatically for you. Okay, so that's our first promotion discount, and look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Thank you.